Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Not in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, December the 18th, 2021. Today it's actually Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. No, this additional is actually of Tuesday, October the 26th, 2021. Because the last 4 days in a row, we have no additionals. And so no extra puzzles. So I need to look for in my archive to look for an old puzzle. And yesterday I have solved the puzzle of Monday, November the 29th, and one of the old puzzles, October the 26th. Yeah, I didn't finish that additional. So it's time for the binary puzzle. Number 3852. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Yeah. Well, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Okay. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Okay. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. And I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So these 2 boxes should be a 1. Okay. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Well. Yeah. Do I need to compare? Yeah, I need to compare. But which can I compare? No, I cannot compare. I need to compare the rows, I believe. How about this one? Yeah. This row and that row. Can you see this? 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box 1 1 0 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then. this row and the last row. Empty box 110011001100. Empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double 1 here, no there, no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Okay. And now, we have a 1, a 1, no, 1. No, 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 no. We have a double 1 here. Oh, no, 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 no. Need to, yeah. First row and this row again. Oh, 1 1 oh 1 1 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright, great. A binary. And I like this one, yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today. Tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.